Why?
Why?
So we can get the step ladders.
The step ladder is round the back.
Why do you have to put step ladders
It's a
on?
shame. No, he does. He needs to go up the steps to do it. But he can because it's the steps are around the back of the garage. They're not actually in the garage.
Or maybe can you not have a step stool? No.
Stand on one of those chairs. No, it'll probably fall off. No, we should encourage him to use the proper equipment. And that is the step.
Come on, Butty.
I'm doing it now.
Okay. Right. Butty is going to fill up the. Yeah, because there were some birds trying to perch on it, and we don't have anything for them. Poor birds. And it's so windy outside. It's cool. That boy is doing well. Thank you, Butts.
Stop with me playing. Oh dear, dear, dear. Such a hard life for the boy. Such a hard life. Look at all this work he has to do for us. This is... He hasn't done anything all week actually. He should nothing stop him doing the
Thank you, Baba.
That's one packet. Now he's going to get the other one.
need
You
to
don't
pick
need to
them
come
up.
in here to do that, Butty. Come on, you can pull that apart. Yeah, they probably do smell a bit.
Why?
Well, they're those round ball things, so they're like fat
Or
balls.
lard, isn't it?
Lard ball things, so they do kind of
Come on.
pen and ink a bit. That's it. You can do it without even having to. He's trying not to touch them.
Well, it's not.
They are. I can't leave that, son. He doesn't even need the steps. I bet he leaves the steps there though and comes in, and I'll have to tell him. Now you need to put the steps away. You watch. Please prove me wrong, Butty. When you've done that, take the steps and put them around the back of the garage. Is he going to do it?
At least he picks up the rubbish.
Is he going to do it?
Well done. Got to be proud of good boy.
There we are. He's switched on. Thank you, Buzzy. There we are.
If that was the big brother.
That was his brother. Forget it. Oh.
It's not switch on yet at
Yes.
31 years old. But at least I kind of, he's good because he likes to.
Done.
Right. Thank you, Buzzy.
Thank you.
Cheers, mate.
There you go, the son is here, saying he wants food.
Lord Foppington.
Hello, Foppington.
Little Lord Fauntleroy. Here he is. Hey,
Look how bent my arm is.
Hey, Sarge.
What?
What are you
Look how
doing?
bent my arm is.
It is bent, yeah.
Roger, can you go and get me another bottle of beer, please?
But you really do need to bring home your homework.
Why didn't you bring your homework home?
I forgot it.
Why didn't you, when you came home? Do you know what? Next Friday, Buzzy, tell a lie. I asked you if you had your homework and you said you did.
That was like last week, wasn't it?
Oh, no. See? You did. So number one, you lied.
I didn't even know. I didn't even check.
Buzzy, I'm telling you now,
next
come
time
on
we
Friday, as soon as you come through that door, I want to see your homework. And if you haven't got it, guess what you're doing? You're cycling back to school to go and get it. Off you go. What do you get if you brain your child with a beer bottle? I'd like to. Years ago in the Victorian age, I could have whacked him one now in front of that camera, and you guys would have gone, clip him round the ears quickly. Go on, give him pee for plenty. But you're not allowed to now. Oh, what a lovely little boy you are, Butty. Oh, come here instead, boy. I'll love it out of you. I will love it out of you. Oh, I'm really cuddling him. I'm really cuddling him now. He feels real cuddled. See, I've got rid of the nastiness of the child by cuddling it out of him. See? Good lad. See, you can get away with that. You can't hit your kids, but you can cuddle them to death.
Yeah, me too.
Squeeze.
I can do it to you as well.
Come on, a bear hug.
Oh!
Exactly. See, but to the camera, it looks like you're Oh, nice and happy and lovey-dovey. Look at him cuddling his child. His eyes are on stalks.
Wait. Hey.
Come on, bud.
Oh, sorry, mate.
Butty.
Well, I read it all got really.
Butty, you asked me to put this on and then run away? Okay, say hello to everybody.
No. My
Go.
name is Phillip. So is
Sit-
this a big bench?
Yes, can't you not see? It's nice, right? Sit down. Sit down on it. I love it. It's lovely, right?
It's actually comfy.
It's really nice. Mama's very happy with that.
Got the bench. Got the bench.
Don't you like those guys?
Oh,
the,
yeah,
the
good
color?
deal.
I love the color. Oh my
I'm gonna
goodness.
sleep on that tonight.
Yeah, bring your own pillow.
So you got a pillow there.
Hey.
Put on turn stop.
Hello. I'm just gonna sit down on the bench and completely ignore
Okay, so
the
what do
camera.
you say about yourself, Butts?
Myself.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Anya daytoy? Anya daytoy mo?
Found it tonight. No.
Ako.
Agong. Agong, daytoy agong. Anya daytoy mo?
Kili.
Ayan na ti kili-kilim. Where's your kili-kili?
Yeah.
Okay, where's your mata? Mata? No.
Here.
Mata.
Here.
What's this?
I.
Which is? Mata.
Butter.
Yes. Ang natingiwat mo ngay. Ngiwat. Ngi.
This is here. It's here.
Buok dayta. Buok.
Oh. Okay.
Buok dayta.
Buok dito.
Buok ko nam. Buok.
Buok ka lang.
This is tutoring overload. Okay. So have you ever been to the Philippines, Bati?
Yeah, I've been to the Philippines. I lived there for a couple
Yeah,
of years.
you lived there for 3 years and you used to speak Ilokano perfectly.
Yeah, but when you moved here, I completely forgot everything.
I know. And then you should really keep on trying to remember them. So, ayan na ti kili-kilim.
Yeah.
Cool. Ayan na ti chan mo. Chan.
Yes.
Ayan na ti matam. Ayan na ti matam.
Here.
Ayan na ti agong.
Here.
Ayan na ti ngiwat mo.
Here.
Oh, cool. Ayan ti buok.
Here. This.
Cool.
This weird stuff.
Buok is.
Your hair
Yeah. Lapayag.
is your ears.
Cool. Mata is
Your
what?
mata is your eyes.
Cool. All right, say goodbye for now because it's
Goodbye.
getting cold
Go
for
for
me.
all the people watching this video. Bye. Bye now.
Switch it off.